Charlie's. It's a lovely place for the bird watchers. It's a pity we haven't seen the bower that the males make.
Well, you'll have to go to the bush to find them. We'll go in there.
Okay.
And we'll go and have a look. I heard them down that way. We'll go down and have a look, okay?
Alright.
This is the place. You're bound to find them in here because it's very secluded. And if you're going to find them anywhere, this is where you're going to find them.
Yes, I suppose you're right.
Let's take a walk down.
Yes.
There's some blue junk over here. Come and have a look at this.
Oh, wow. You're right, look.
Well, this is his bower, but he's not here. No. We're going to have to wait. We're going to have to wait and hide and wait for him to come.
Yes, you're right, we will. That's what we will do.
The bowerbird collects items that are blue in colour and arranges them round his bower to attract a female. Before we made our way to the hide, I lay this large blue ring on the side of the bower. I was very interested to see how the bird would react to this minor change. Despite having our attention and camera focused on watching the bowerbird, we made time to capture the little eyes that were watching us.
That shouldn't be there.
The bowerbird is very fussy on how things should look to attract a female.
It's my Blue Haven, and I hope to attract a beautiful bird. Aha, here's a good sort. Time to perform. Showtime.
The female is attracted to the bower, but seems terrified of what might happen. After the male's performance, she seems to lose all interest and vacates the bower.
I'll have to improve my dance as it scared her away. Better luck next time.